Good morning. I am going to be filming today's lesson in three segments. It's a little bit better to upload it that way. So what you're going to need for today is you're going to need loose leaf or notebooks, some place for you to write notes, obviously something to write with, and a copy of the periodic table. It can be one on your browser, like I have. I've opened dynamic periodic table. It's the first one on Google. You could open one on your phone and have it easily accessed for you. So if you need to go get one, pause the video, and then when you come back and gather all your materials, then hit play. So today's lesson, we'll call it 324, showing the ionic bond. There are two different types of bonding that we're going to talk about. One is called covalent, and the other type of bond is called ionic, which has the prefix ion in it, which is going to deal with positive and negative ions. So atoms that have gained or lost valence electrons. So our first one is going to be ionic bonds. Just a brief definition for you. So they have the word ion in it. And remember that an ion is an atom with a positive or negative charge. And we talked about how it got that charge is that it either gained or lost its valence electrons. All right. And so this ionic bond, when it is being formed, what an ionic bond does is it transfers valence electrons. So an atom that doesn't need one, it would give it up to an atom that does. So it's kind of like you loaning your friend a pencil to use for the rest of the day. So you don't need it anymore. You hand that pencil off and you know you probably will never see it again. And that is what an atom does with its valence electron. Or it works that it takes. So maybe at lunch, maybe you need $1. So your friend gives you $1, so you inherit this dollar, and you use it to purchase something at lunch. So it transfers valence electrons, and that is how the bond is held together. When these bonds are held together, what they do is they tend to they're held together by a positive negative attraction. So kind of like magnets. So the positive ion is going to be attracted to the negative ion, and that's how a compound like table salt is going to be held together. All right. So I'm going to end this video, and I will record 2 examples for you guys.